This video I'm going to show how to install DeepSeek R1 using Ollama on a Windows 11 computer that has Nvidia RTX 3090 GPU and 128 gigs of DDR4 RAM along with an Intel 12-core CPU. So the first thing that I'm going to do is search for Ollama, and I want the first result that shows up, which is ollama.com, so I click on it to access the website. Now I want to go down and click on download to get the installer, then up to download for Windows. Then I'll go up and click on the circle icon in Chrome, and down to click on full download history to watch the progress, which may take a little while if you don't have a decent internet connection. And after it's done downloading, I'll click on the little folder icon to open up File Explorer to the installation file where I will double click to start installing it. Then while it's getting ready, I'll delete the file in Chrome and close the download history page, and go back down and click on File Explorer to focus it again while I wait for the installer to pop up. Now I click install and then go over to click on this PC to check on how much free space I have because I'm curious how much of the disk everything will use. And I have about 90 gigabytes free, so I'll remember that for later. The installation takes several minutes, so I just be patient until it completes. And after it's done, it will show a notification that it's running in the bottom right corner. So this installation of Ollama is really easy and it will start up with Windows by default. You can check to see if it's running by clicking on this little up arrow, and it will show this little llama head if it is. Installing DeepSeek is really easy as well. All I do is click on the models link at the top left of the Ollama website, and then click on DeepSeek R1. Now my GPU only has 24 gigabytes, so I'm going to pick this 32 billion parameter version, which should load in my VRAM. Then all I need to do is copy this command they provide to download and install it in Ollama. Now I'll go down and right click on the Windows Start icon and go up to Terminal with Administrative Privileges. I click yes to allow the terminal to make changes to my computer, go up and close the Ollama website, then just right click inside the terminal to paste the installation command in, and press enter to run it. Now it has to download the 19 gigabytes for the 32 billion parameters, so that takes about a half an hour to complete. Then it verifies the SHA-256 digest and writes the manifest, which takes several more minutes, so overall it took me around 32 minutes to get my prompt to send a message. I open File Explorer again to see how much free space I have now that's done installing. It's at 66 gigabytes down from 89, which means it's storing around 23 gigabytes on my drive. Now I'll right click on the Windows Start icon and go up to Task Manager so I can watch my computer resources while I use DeepSeek. And I just drag that window to snap it to the right and then click on PowerShell to snap it to the left. Then click the performance icon and go down and click on the GPU where I can see that it's already using 21.5 of my 24 gigabytes. So now I'll go over and ask if it can restart my computer, and it quickly responds by saying it can't directly interact with it, but it offers to guide me through the steps if I'm on Windows. I want to see how long it takes to load everything after it boots up, so I'll go down to the Windows icon again and restart the computer. And after it boots back up, I'll open up Task Manager and snap it to the right again, then go down and open up Terminal with Administrative Privileges. Once again, I'll click yes to allow the terminal to make changes to my computer, and then paste the command to run DeepSeek and snap the window to the left while it's starting up. I'm paying close attention to the GPU memory and DDR4 memory usage because I'm still curious about the hardware requirements for this to run. It doesn't seem to use much of the DDR4 memory, but the GPU memory fills up almost instantly, so I'm curious what would happen if I try running the 17 billion parameter version. And once it gets up to 21.5 gigabytes on the GPU memory, it gives me the prompt to send a message. So I will ask it if my computer is fast enough to run DeepSeek 70B, since I'm curious if it even knows what it is. I press the enter key and it starts to think, which I find pretty cool to watch. I can see on the right that it's mostly using the GPU, so now I'm even more curious what will happen if I try the 70 billion parameters. Now what I found most interesting about its thinking process is that it asks if it has a GPU, and it responds to itself that yes, it has an RTX 2060, which isn't right. This computer has a 3090, so I'm assuming it was trained on random posts on the internet, so it's thinking that based on someone posting about their computer when asking about hardware requirements for DeepSeek. This 32 billion parameter version runs pretty fast with my 3090 though, so what you're seeing is the performance you should expect if you use similar hardware. So its response wasn't that accurate for me, but I can see why this technology is so popular right now. I would imagine it would be very helpful to anyone that takes the time to do proper training. Now I'll ask it a more general question to see how it responds. I'm curious if the 70 billion parameters will think much differently to the same question. After this is done responding, I'll restore the system image and install the 70 billion parameters to compare performance and results against this 32 billion. This response is saying I can use a 3090, but from what I've read it won't perform well with only 24 gigabytes of VRAM. So I'm not sure how accurate this response is, but I'm about to find out. I've restored the system to a fresh install and downloaded the 70 billion parameters, and as expected, it's not fast at all. I'll ask it the same question I asked with the 32 billion parameters, and it takes almost 13 minutes to think and respond. It's like it's only responding around 1 word per second, whereas the 32 billion parameters responded in 42 seconds. It gives a similar response, but again, it's way off with the hardware this time, thinking it has a GTX 1660 Ti GPU. So personally, I wouldn't consider this general intelligence yet, but we are definitely getting closer. Hopefully this video has helped, and feel free to ask any questions that you still may have in the comments. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe for more quick and on-point videos.